Are you someone who is struggling with your English fluency? In this video, I'm going to share my 3R technique which will help you to improve your vocabulary and strengthen your fluency. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I'm Ishan Sengupta. I'm a certified public speaking coach and a soft skills trainer. I help people to speak confidently and with impact in any impromptu situation, be it on stage or in front of the camera. Whether you're preparing for any job interviews or you're trying to be confident in classroom presentation, or else you just want to be sound with your fluency. This 3R technique I'm suggesting you all. In fact, this is a game changer. The first R stands for reading. And when I say that, you must understand that reading forms the base of your overall English. When it comes to reading, it's an exercise. It's not that something which you do it today and you live for the rest of it. There's a saying in English that practice makes a man perfect. But I tweak it by adding that consistent focus is also very important. You're not focused in what you are doing. You're not sure ultimately what is your goal. So when it comes to reading, you should blindly not pick up any book. You should definitely select book as per your level of understanding. The purpose will meet up. And reading, it can be anything. It can be daily reading newspapers early in the morning. You can refer to them, try to underline important words. It will help you also gradually to improve your vocabulary as well. Also, books of your choice, or maybe any good writer, any fictional stories, you can refer to, watch any videos in the form of English of any influential person. Basically, reading a lot of English content will help you to boost up your vocabulary, and those words, once you start feeding into your brain, you gradually will see that a lot more easier it will come when it comes to achieving. That brings me to the next R, that is repeating. Yes, repeating what you have actually read. When you repeat the things which you have already read, you should also focus in using words of your own, and while you do that, it enhances your vocabulary. The third R stands for research new words and how to use those words in context in a sentence. Also, you should develop a habit of researching about 5 new words every day and to write down in a diary. And not just that, you also need to use them. Thanks for listening to me patiently. For those who have been watching me or watching the video till here, for them I'm going to share an extra bonus R. Yes. And this R stands for recording. Recording is very important step. You should definitely have the habit of recording yourself and listen to your recorded voice. It will help you to understand your voice, better your confidence level, and also to improve your pronunciation. Hope you have liked this video. I would definitely look forward for your comments. So go ahead, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.